Yeah, it was.
1. Here we go.
Lindsay.
Your head right there. Behind them, behind you. Yeah, there you go. The guy that just moved. Yeah. I need you kind of on the edge. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to eat. And are we doing 2 food lines down there? We're doing 2 food lines from the left and from the right, everybody.
You were made for it. I know you got some moves. Come on, we need time. Let's go. Right there, big man. Get on up here. All right, we're looking good now. Spread out from your competition. Because Michael Wilson, only got 3 left. Michael Wilson, where are you? Where is he? Come on, the girls want you up here. Get on up here, dude. No, come on. All you gotta do, judges, all you guys. We are not looking for perfection here. I mean, let's face it. Who can hula hoop? Nobody. So, these folks down here are gonna be judged solely on how crazy they look while they're trying to do it.
Oh yeah. Come on, put it on your head. You gotta get crazy. Put it on your... Well... Put it on your hands, put it on your feet, put it on your knees, throw it in the air. Come on, work it. Oh yeah, you guys are looking good. Come on. Don't you stop on me now. Come on now. So you get right on up there near that young lady. You made the final. Congratulations. Oh yeah, baby. Sir, what is your name?
Kyle.
Kyle, where are you from?
Long Island.
Very nice to have you here, all the way from Long Island. Judges, what do you think about Kyle working hard down here? I like it, man. You're in the final. Get over there.
Isn't it just great? This is the cream of the crop from all over the United States. I couldn't be more humbled to be here tonight, I swear to God. What do you say about this guy, judges? Oh, stay away from those guys. Here, you get on over there. You're in the final. How many?
Hoopers, are we ready for the final? This is it, baby. All right. Let's get them going. Work those judges. Work those judges. Come on now. You got to separate yourself from the rest of the crowd, guys. Come on now. Oh, yeah, I like those moves. I like those moves. Number 2. Number 3. Number 3. Number 2. Number 1. I think we got our winner. Good job, guys.
Right there.
All right, now he almost looks ready. But you know what? On the beach, you might need to see a little bit tonight. So let's get those guys on you too. Huh? Oh yeah. And turn around and look at the judges up here on the... What do you think, judges? Good to go? Ladies and gentlemen, our 2011 Clam Bake Hula Hoop champion. Right here, the big man. Give it up for him.